Hello everyone, in this video I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of Vector.fun is a social finance trading platform specifically for trading meme coins using social feeds. So they already have a mobile application. If you haven't already downloaded it, the link is in the description and it's available for both Android and iOS devices. So they will be publicly rolling out this web terminal. It's still in beta and so in this video I'm just going to demonstrate um, all the features and options that are available. So as you can see on the top or navigation bar, there's the explore button, and then there's streaming mode and the social feed, and then stage forward and profile section, and you can also connect your Telegram account. And then we have the launch time frame and the filter option. So we can filter for launch patch and also search for keywords and filter using the audit metrics and the social feed. So let's quickly open up a meme coin and show you the overall interface. So as you can see, this is the detailed layout and this is the meme coin that was launched on pump.fun. So this is the listing page, and then we have live Twitter feed or the community, and they have also added this cool feature like automated AI vector GPT that gives you the summary of the meme coin or the narrative or the meta. And then we have the indicators, price and market cap, as well as holders, and then the security information. And on the right hand side we have the time frame and vector users who have traded or bought this meme coin, and tracked wallets, the developer wallet. And then on the extreme right we have preset. The layout can be customized according to your preferences, and you can also create custom trading presets or auto strategies. So on the bottom we have again holders tab, then the positions, orders, top traders, and the broadcast on platform, as well as similar coins, and again get token holding. So as you can see, these tiny bubbles are vector users who have also this particular meme coin. So in terms of navigation and layout, it looks a lot like Pathway. And for those of you who are not familiar with Pathway, it's also a trading terminal designed specifically for meme coin trading, which has been recently acquired by pump.fun. So on the bottom we have wallets. We can manage our wallets from here. And then again presets wallet tracker feature that allows you to track um, whale or alpha wallets. And then we have watch list and the feed section. As you can see, this is the Vector.fun's social feed. And then we have balances and profit and loss. So let's check the demon mode. So in the demon mode we have all the new launches and the ones who are migrating, and the tokens and coins that are already migrated. And then again the feed section, the social feed and the rewards program. So this is it. And if you haven't signed up for Vector.fun, please consider joining using my referral link. It will help support me and my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.